So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change language on your Bitget account. So guys, if you don't understand a certain language and you want to change it to something else, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. Our first step is to open the app, so let's go ahead and do that. Open it, and once you're in this home page right here of your lower bar button, you can also see options like market, trades, cover, and wallet. You just need to be in home. And now look at the top left corner button that has 4 circles. So once you tap there, you can see even more options like my wallet, language, currency, theme, reporting cycle, rewards account, advanced settings, and user guide. We just need to tap on language over here. Once you do so, you will have a selection of languages. Just go ahead and tap on the language that you're comfortable with. So let's say I'm going to choose Spanish over here, and as you guys can see, Bitget has now a Spanish language. So guys, that's how you change language in your Bitget account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.